Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see best indicator in trading. So last 4 years I am using this indicator, so it is working quite well. So I want to share with you all. So let's get into the video. So we might have know that we are having a various indicator used in the market. So let's say Bollinger Band, RSI, VWAP, MACD, EA, that is exponential average, pivot points plus CPR. So here we are not going to see the all indicators in detail. So that is not agenda of today. So today we are going to see in detail what is pivot points and CPR. Who invented this pivot point and CPR? So this is invented by Franklin Muchua. So he has invented pivot points and CPR. Is best among all indicators. So we are having a various indicators. So why CPR is so best and it is working quite good. So here the reason is, so probability percentage is more actually. So let's say if it is 100% is the success, and you can imagine that 70% would be correct and 30% sometime it will get failure. So at that time we have to put a stop loss and we have to come out of the trade. So basically the probability percentage is more. So most of the time it works. So it is also relatable to probability. But if you take any trade relevant to this indicator, using this indicator, most of the times it is working. So I have back tested for several times. So it is working. So we can predict next day market condition with the help of CPR. So this is the very finest point which we cannot do with the other indicators. So today, once the market, example today, once the market is closed, so next day market, the how the scenario is, whether it is going to be a trending day or sideways, so how it is going to behave. So those things actually we can predict by today market after the closing of the market. So with the help of high, the day's high and day's low. And fourth point is it is acting as a strong support and resistance. So pivot point and CPR is nothing but a strong, it is acting actually a strong support and resistance. And fifth point is entry exit. So generally the people while trading in the daily or day trading or monthly trading, so normally they won't know where to take entry in the market and where to exit in the market. So this one clearly tell you wherever support or where CPR is there, you can enter, and wherever this thing resistance is there, you can come out of the trade. So the last point is we can easily identify what is the entry, where we can entry, and where we can exit. So next formula, this is the basic formula. So very detailed formula we will see in the next video and mastering of CPR. But here we will see the basic formula of CPR. So for pivot point actually nothing but high, day low and close. So divided by 3 of the previous day, which means the day which you are calculating. So with this the CPR, that pivot point will be applicable for next day. So I'll show you with the chart where it comes in the next slides. So as I said, CPR is the not only the single line, it is basically three lines actually. It is a range actually, three ranges. So this is the pivot point means, so bottom central pivot and top central pivot. So including this three, actually it's called CPR. It is a central pivot range, not a single point. So this alone it is called as pivot point. It's a central pivot. Okay, and top we will have a resistance like this. So this is also pivot. Bottom we will have a supports. Okay, so basically we don't want to calculate on daily basis. When you are trading, you don't want to calculate on every day, because since this is available in trading view platform, and Zerodha also it is now available. Okay, in upcoming slides we will see the samples. Next one is basic understanding of CPR. As I described in the previous slide, So this is not a single line, so it is actually range. So this is TBC, that is top pivot point, this is bottom BC, and this is the pivot point, central pivot. So it's three includes, combining these three, it is called CPR, central pivot range. So top you can see R1 and R2, and it's go like this, R3, so whatever, R4 also we can go, and bottom it will be, there will be a S1, S2 support. So these are all pivot points. So center you can see the CPR. So this is the outer frame for CPR and pivot points. And this is the representation. As I said, it is available in Zerodha. So this one actually taken from the Zerodha platform. So this is the one day, let's see, 6/7/2023. So here actually this is the range CPR. This full range is called CPR. This is TEC, this is BC, and then this is the central pivot. Okay, so if you see there, this red color lines, these are all sub resistance, R1, R2. So this will go in this way, R3. So as it is, it will go up, up, up. So coming to the bottom, below to the CPR, you can see green color lines. So those are those things called as supports. So S1, S2. So further, if you move bottom, then you can see S3, all those things. So here basically you can see this thing. So exactly it is taking a support in the CPR. So as I said in the previous slide, if you are taking a trade over here, and if you are buying a call option, then where you want to exit, you can exit in the first exit is actually in the R1. So as I said, with the CPR we can clearly make an entry, clearly make an exit. So entry at the CPR and exit at the R1. So if it is, probably I said 70/30 based on the previous experience, 70/30 it work. But when comes to this thing failure, most of the times it works. But if it does not work, so what we have to do is we have to keep a stop loss below the CPR. So once if it is not going in our way, then it will hit the stop loss, and we can come out of the market with a minimum loss. So that is the general scenario. So how it is work, basically significant factor. So several points are there basically. So here only it is basically working on averages, like a day high, day low, and a day close. Based on that, it is forming a CPR. The second point is how exactly it is working on support and resistance and CPR. So basically responsive buyers and seller available at that point, average point. So they try to make push pull the market to the average position. So where initiative buyers and seller, other kind of sellers buyers are available, there they try to break out the resistance, support, and CPR. So because of this responsive buyer seller, the market will take support and resistance exactly at the point. And because of initiative buyers, there will be a breakout happen at resistance and support. So and another point is, like main point is, it is basically working an average, day low, day high, and day close. So thank you to all. So please, if it is relatable and if you are liking this video, so please share and subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.